South Sudan delegates to the 15th Global Gathering of Anglican Bishops have retained their position to oppose same-sex practices in the church, Archbishop Arama has said. Justin Badi Arama, the primate and archbishop of the Episcopal Church of South Sudan, told reporters upon their arrival at Juba International Airport on Tuesday. The once-a-decade Lambeth Conference convened by the Archbishop of Canterbury is an international event that aimed to share in worship, prayer and discussion on key issues affecting the lives of their communities around the world. In the previous discussion in 1998, the Anglican bishops agreed that all baptized, believing and faithful persons regardless of sexual orientation are full members of the body of Christ and to be welcomed, cared for and treated with respect. During the recently concluded conference, the Archbishop of Canterbury, Justin Welby, told delegates that some provinces of the Anglican Communion have blessed and welcomed same-sex marriage after careful theological reflection and a process reception. Speaking reporters in Juba on Tuesday, Archbishop Justin Badi said South Sudan vowed not adopt the same-sex tradition. On behalf of the people of South Sudan, I have raised my voice that we cannot accept same-sex practice within the Anglican Communion and within the Church. Therefore, that is your view, Archbishop Arama said. I have spoken on your behalf. I have told the world that we should embrace biblical authority within the Anglican Communion to live our lives and to order our faith in accordance to the Bible. This year's Lambeth Conference, which took place from 26 July to 8 August, is the 15th gathering of Anglican bishops in 155 years. Early, some South Sudanese took to the social media and claimed that South Sudan Anglican Church bishops headed by Justin Badi were forced to sign a document to respect the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender policy, or otherwise abbreviated as LGBTQ, at the Lambeth Conference. That is false. There is nothing like that, Archbishop Justin Badi refuted the claim when asked about the matter. In every organization, in every meeting, when you reach the venue, you have to register your name and other things. That is what happened. It doesn't mean that we were forced, but we were registered for the meeting to receive all the stationery and to have our rooms. That is what happened. Nobody was forced to do anything. The conference was under the theme God's Church for God's World, walking, listening and witnessing together.